I feel like myself in this video could use a really good cup of coffee. But I'm not gonna make it. So this part of the video is completely irrelevant. But I do have a mix haul for you guys today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Marie and I do primarily hauls. That has been my channel for over 12 years. And even when I like kind of do other videos, like I'll do decorating videos, y'all definitely love the haul stuff. And obviously Dollar Tree is my store, it's my jam, but today is going to be a mix holiday haul. So I've got Pop Shelf, I've got a little bit of Target, some Hobby Lobby, and HomeGoods, and Five Below. So it's a little mix of things. So let me show you guys what I got, why I got it, what my plans are with everything. So if you're interested in that, then let's dive in.
Look at this book I just got.
Is that what came in?
Yeah. Look at this frayed edges.
Have you?
They're like books.
That's not a cover?
No, it's like...
The edges are painted like that?
Yeah, it's called sprayed edges. Special edition. Oh my god, look at that.
Why is that so genius? Have you already read this one?
No, I've been wanting to read it though. It's called A Study in Drowning. It's like a really... by Ava.
Is it like fantasy?
Mm-hmm. Has something to do with like a library, like this girl, like library.
Oh, God bless authors.
Yeah. Look at the details, like on the desk and stuff.
Show them. Cool. There's stuff all over here. You're not gonna make it past all this stuff.
Yeah.
Look how gorgeous the edge is, yeah.
Looks way better on your camera. Why does my camera not look like that? It's like books. Like on a
but it's sprayed. It's not like, I thought it was like a cardboard cover or something that you remove.
No, they're called sprayed edges. Anytime you see
I've seen, but it's usually like gold.
And see, that's like that. And then if you take the cover off, it's like gold foiled, blue.
Yeah, that is so pretty.
And it's like high quality. Usually sometimes like people, like sprayed edges is becoming more popular, but I don't like it on everything, like special editions, and like this feels not cheap. Like sometimes they're really stiff, but this feels very like...
Have you ever read another book by her, or is this your first Ava read?
My first Ava read.
A Study in Drowning. What a title.
Yeah, like look at that. Look at her. And all those little details. Cute.
So cute. This one's a month away from her birthday.
24.
24. All right, so first up, we're just gonna do Target. I actually only got one thing, but several of them. And they are these Christmas lights, but they're not just any Christmas lights. They are twinkling Christmas lights. And these were $7, I believe, a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess 6 boxes is what I got. So I know that Home Depot Christmas tree went super viral last year. It's like that twinkling tree, and it is super pretty, but I already have trees. So I was like, let me just get some twinkling lights. And I actually ordered, if you watch my vlogs, and you know I actually ordered some off of Amazon first. They're very different from this style, and they actually have like several like settings on it, but they didn't quite have, I think, the twinkle I was looking for. And so I heard that Target had them. And so I found them. I was so excited. They're the Wonder Shop brand, and I get the green string because my tree's green, obviously. So I'm just gonna add them to my existing trees, and voila, I'm gonna get myself a twinkling tree. Plus, most of my trees that come pre-lit, you know, all those little lights kind of tend to go out. And so this will fill in, you know, any of that issue. So I got several boxes because I feel like my trees will eat probably 3 boxes. And then I got it for like other trees too. So that's it. That's all I got from Target. Then let's do Pop Shelf. What's funny is I actually bought wrapping paper from Pop Shelf. It was like a Charlie Brown Christmas, had like a blue background. I left it there. And now it's been like 5-6 days at this point. I'm like, what am I gonna do? Go back and be like, hey, I left my wrapping paper, you know? So the wrapping paper was it $3? It was $3. Like, it is what it is. All right, so I picked up this little headband, but look at this. If you follow me watching Dollar Tree hauls, you recognize this because this is the must-have beauty line, and this is a line that we see at Dollar Tree. But we don't see these items at Dollar Tree. We see more of that $1.25 stuff. This was, I think this was like, oh, this was $4. But this was at Pop Shelf, which is owned by Dollar General. So they had multiple colors to choose from. I'll throw up the picture if I still have it, just so you guys can see, but I had to get black because I thought it was so cute. Has like the little pearl detail. These are gonna be great as stocking stuffers. So I got that. And then I got a bunch of like dollar products, which are their gift tags. And look, that's that Dollar General price tag that we see everywhere. But again, this is Pop Shelf. So those were super cute. And I got this set, $1. These are so pretty. I love the nutcrackers. Look at them. Yeah, they're precious. And you get 2 of each nutcracker. And then I got this one. Love that. And then this one, which is more of a sticker based, and those were tags. So you can pause the screen if you just like need to look at it a little bit longer. Okay, then it's been a minute. I forgot. Oh, I got another little ornament. Y'all, I'm so excited for this freaking tree. If you've been watching me for a while now, I've been hauling glass ornaments because last year, I believe I saw someone have like this full-on Christmas tree, all glass ornaments. I mean, it was stuffed to the brim, and that's my goal. So I'm just like, you know, collecting my ornaments here and there. And I do want my ornaments to be things that I think are about me, Micah, and Loki, and Loxy, and like all that stuff. So I love pies. I love pies. So I thought this was really cute. It was $5 for this little ornament. And then, what? Oh, this is a mug. Yep, y'all. But you put a cookie right here. You place the cookie, you do the milk, like that is so freaking darling. So if you want to do that for Santa, plus they have a Santa one. So I'll throw up a picture here. I believe it's like just his pants. So like the red with the black belt kind of thing. But I had to get the reindeer. I thought that was super cute. And I think he's gonna look so good with all of my mugs. So that's it. That's what I got from Pop Shelf, and I spent $21.65. Obviously, I forgot my wrapping paper. So there's that. All right, so I'm just gonna stuff this in my bag. And now I'm gonna show you guys Five Below. So that's back here. And I spent $30 at Five Below, but look at who I found. If you've been watching like my past Five Below hauls, I've been hunting Miss Rainbow Bright herself. So I'm so excited. I already have like Red Butler. I have, no, that's, wait, do I? No, hell. Anyways, I don't know what I'm talking about. I think that's strawberry shortcake. But I found Rainbow Bright and I was super excited. She is the very first doll that I remember in my life that I had, like, that I owned. And I did look for strawberry shortcake, but I couldn't find her. And then I got more of these little blind bags. And if you watched me open them up last time, I only got 2. So we're gonna open these up. Let's see who we get. Who did I get? I got the Peculiar Purple Pie Man. And I believe I got Orange Blossom. Is that right? I got him and her, I believe. So I'm hoping I get strawberry shortcake and blueberry muffin. But let's see. No. Stop it right now. No. I got her. Oh, she just smells like plastic. Look how cute she is. And these are little keychains. If you guys have seen the trend, cute little keychains on purses. It's so, like, I love it. For me, this is gonna be like junk journaling. Okay, now let's see if we can get blueberry muffin. And I hope, you know, whatever. Wait, what are the odds of this? Like, but I got strawberry again. She's like stuck in here. Oh, this little, yeah, I got strawberry again. And they wrap it in this so you can't feel it, which is super tricky because a lot of these blind bags you can kind of like, you know, feel, but they put them in this so you can't. And then the last things are some ornaments as well. They also have a lot of these like, you know, ornaments, and I got the Harry Potter. I just wish I could get all of the movies, and they're books. So this one is The Sorcerer's Stone. Of course, I got that for Micah. Are you kidding me? And I also found Goblet of Fire. Please, 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 please comment and let me know if they're actually selling like all the books and ornaments, because I will go to the ends of the earths to find the rest of them for our tree. So anyway, that was really exciting though. I feel like scoring strawberry shortcake was amazing. So that is Five Below. Now let me show you guys my Hobby Lobby haul. All of this is from like my shopping checklist. So I needed an additional little wreath. I'm gonna style this in my kitchen. It was $7.99, but Christmas is 50% off. So this was like $4. I'm gonna add a little red velvet bow. It's gonna be super cute. I got another thing of the bows that I'm gonna use around the house this year. And this was $5.99, but 50% off, so $3. So there's that bag. And then I also got, all of my other ribbons. This thicker ribbon is for how I think I'm gonna do like the front door. I'll throw up a picture. I'm gonna use this ribbon as the ribbon that comes down and kind of like holds the wreath. So, and then a bunch of the red ribbons to go around my house. And then I also went to Walmart. So I forgot to say I got Walmart. I got these chunky ribbons. They're just stunning. Like, look at that. And I got these actually for wrapping presents. Just, you know, have a little bit of fun. Micah and I are gonna keep Christmas like low key. Like my love language is gift giving. And so this year I'm gonna try not to overdo it, you know. Micah definitely loves a more simple, toned down, and I'm kind of the opposite. So I figured because we're just gonna keep it like low key, it will be fun to just kind of like the presents I am gonna wrap, it'll be fun to like add some pretty bows. And when I mean low key, I don't mean obviously in like the wrapping, I just mean in, I'm not gonna overdo it in gift giving, is my point. So, you know. Anyways, then I ran by the lamp section, which come to find out, apparently lamps are now always on sale. I thought they rotated lamps too, but no, it's always 50% off. And I've been wanting to redo my kitchen countertops, and I found this beautiful lamp for every day. This is not like a holiday thing. I just wanted to restyle my kitchen countertops, and I just thought I could really use a beautiful little lamp. And this one was $23.99. And look at this. It looks like braids, or I don't know what you call that, but so pretty. So I got that for the kitchen. And then the last place is gonna be HomeGoods. For this haul, I've got a huge bag. I saw this garland and I had to. The little gingerbread with the little pom-poms, and I love the color of the gingerbread. So if I am gonna include color into gingerbread, it would be these three versus like the overly colorful gingerbread with like pinks and oranges and purples. Like I would much prefer the brown, white, and then those three colors. So this garland is really cute. It's $14.99. It's by Peppermint Square, whoever they are. And this is gonna probably go in my media room. I did change my mind. I thought I wasn't gonna introduce gingerbread into my kitchen. I could flip back, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the kitchen is one of those areas right now for me where I'm like, what am I gonna do? I could just keep it ultra simple without gingerbread, but I think I'm flipping back and I might be doing gingerbread in there. So with that said, I got these plates, and it's funny because I found only one and I was like, I need two. I'll throw up a picture of like my inspiration for this, but I wanted to style my kitchen nook table, and I was like, let me just find two gingerbreads. I only found one, and I saw him. He was $4.99, and I said, you know what? I love this so much. I'm just gonna get him and cross my fingers that maybe when I come back to HomeGoods, I'll find him again. I moved to another aisle and I found a second one. Like, it was just luck. But then I started thinking, I really like the gingerbread in that picture I just showed you guys. I like it to look more like a cookie, but maybe I'll go with this instead. Either way, it was $4.99, and I think they are just super cute. So there's that. And then the very last thing in this haul is actually a blanket. But I got this blanket to serve as my tree skirt for my dining room tree. My dining room tree is gonna have more of a navy base rather than a red base. And I have not been able to find a navy tree skirt that I like. So I was like, you know what, let me find a blanket. And so when I saw the inside of this, and I love the texture of this like fluffy fleece, I was like, that's perfect. And then the other side's plaid. So, you know, if I ever like move on from it being a tree skirt one year, it's still a blanket. And it's plaid, and you guys know how I am about that. This is actually Tommy Hilfiger. So I love that. And it was $19.99. Their blankets are going up. We used to really live in the $16.99 world, but some of them are like $24.99. But anyways, so super fluffy. Look at this little tag. That is so nice. I wish you guys could actually feel the inside of this, because I am telling you, it is like butter. So the point is that you won't really see the plaid when I wrap it around the tree. I'm gonna use the navy side only. Actually, and since it's right in front of me, I had to order navy ribbon from Amazon. I looked at Hobby Lobby. They just don't have the navy ribbon I needed. So I ordered it from Amazon. 1 inch, this beautiful deep color. So that is gonna be, I'm gonna make bows out of this for my dining room tree. Anyways, I'm gonna just give you guys my schedule and tell you when the first decorating video is gonna come out, because I planned all my videos. So far, if things go on track, my first Christmas Decorate With Me is gonna be released November 19th. It's gonna be my entryway in this office. And then on the 21st, it will be my media room, and then so on and so forth. So November 19th is when I'm starting my decorating. So stick around, subscribe, turn on your bell. YouTube will let you know when my videos come out. It's completely free to do that. And that is my holiday mix haul today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.